What's up everyone, my name is Dominic Barbado and welcome back to the Enhanced Entrepreneur channel. Today I just want to go over some simple ways that you can make money online. I hear people all the time complaining how they can't make any money online. So today I'm listing 5 ways you can make money right now, literally by doing these things I'm about to tell you. Stay tuned for that video. So the 5 ways that you can make money right this second, no BS, are: first way, which is super cool, super new website. It's called UserTesting.com. I'll have a link below and I'll also put it here. UserTesting.com is a website that you can do specified tests that are specific to you and if it relates to you. So each of these tests take anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes and they'll pay you $10 per test. If you do 5 of these, you can make $50 in the matter of 50 minutes. So essentially, if you need money, you could do these over a course of, let's say, 12 hours and you could potentially make like $400 or $500. User testing is super cool. Definitely recommend checking it out if you want to make money right now. Second way is you could do YouTube. So yes, you can make money by talking to a camera just like I am, and I really hope you do. We're entering an age where literally it's all social media and consuming video is at an all-time high. People want to consume videos, and obviously YouTube has grown substantially over the last couple of years, but it's still not a late time to get into it. Post about your life, start vlogging your life. This is all memories, for me even, but I do post it to help other people. And in the process, obviously as I get a little bigger, I'll be able to make more money and even get sponsorships for my videos from companies. So I recommend starting a YouTube as soon as possible. Don't think your life is boring. I don't have too great of a life, but I definitely can share some knowledge here. But you should start a YouTube, whatever you have, whether you play video games or something like that, do Twitch. Just get your name out there, just get online. The more attention you have, the more potential people that are gonna buy your product or that you can connect with, and it's all about that. It's all about online presence and creating that branding online. But YouTube is a super awesome platform and I recommend that everyone start a YouTube. So yeah, YouTube is super easy to start. I'm super new to YouTube. I kind of enjoy, giving back on YouTube and, talking to a camera, I guess. But the easiest way you can make money on here is obviously do affiliate marketing. Amazon Mechanical Turk. And I'm gonna pull that up right now. I don't know if anyone has heard of that, but Amazon created a website that you can literally do tasks for. It's called Amazon Mechanical Turk. And you can look it up on Google right now, you'll see it. And it's a human intelligence through API. So essentially it's a 24/7 workforce that you could do small tasks that, let's say, maybe take a minute or two, and they'll pay you like 25 cents. I don't recommend doing it. I tried doing it. You make like little money, but if you ever have a spare few minutes and you want to make like 25, 50 cents in a couple minutes, you could go and do that. It's really not that hard. The third way that you can make money is by garage sale arbitrage. I don't know if it's technically called retail arbitrage, but you can go to garage sales in your area. I'm from New York. It's summertime now, lots of garage sales. You can go to these garage sales and you can find some awesome things. I once found a Callaway driver that I got for like $5 at some garage sale. Probably would have sold for like $60, $70, So you can go around to garage sales, obviously look up the products that you're searching, and you can figure out what's good, what's not, and then you can just put them right on eBay and charge more and charge for shipping, and then you can make money with that arbitrage process. I think this is a super cool way, and I plan on definitely checking that out more now that the garage sales are, becoming more prominent because of the summer. So that brings me to the 4th thing, which is Kindle Publishing. I already made one video on this. It was kind of simple on how to start your KDP account, but Kindle Publishing is even bigger than that. Like, I've published so many times on Kindle, and I think, publishing on Kindle is one of the greatest things that you could do for like passive income. And the biggest thing is, it takes no money and you can do it right now. Like, if you didn't see the other video, I'll link it in the bottom or I'll link it at the end. And that's the Kindle video where literally you could start a Kindle business right after you watch this video. Obviously, you need a book cover, which you could design yourself on Canva. And then you also just need the content inside. But say you want to just write 5,000 to 6,000 words. That really doesn't take that long. You could do that in 4 or 5 hours. I do write a little bit quicker than the average writer, but think about it. You could write friggin' 4,000 words in a weekend if you wanted to, or over a span of a week. If you have anything that you could talk about or anything that you can share to the world, put it in an ebook and sell it for $1. why not? So that's pretty much it for the, 5 things that you could do right this second to make money, even while you're watching this video in the background. I hope you use any of these resources that I've given you, or I hope you start a YouTube channel if that's what you want to do. Obviously don't do these things if you don't want to, but do them because you're actually passionate about it. I don't want to just make money on YouTube. I am passionate about it. I do like writing, but there is a way to make money even if you don't like writing. Hopefully this helped you. Hopefully now you can go online and make some more money. Some of these websites obviously are for United States only, so I apologize for the people out of the United States. I guess come to the United States if you want to use these things. But yeah, so let's just wrap that up. Thank you for stopping by the Enhanced Entrepreneur channel. If you haven't signed up for our awesome community, we're a global community of entrepreneurs looking to literally take our lives to the next level, take our businesses to the next level, and even our mindset. You have to really believe that you could start a business or take your business to the next level. It's all about leverage after a certain point. Join Enhanced Entrepreneurs, a global community of entrepreneurs that are looking to stray away from the original path. My name is Dominic, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Had to take my time, take it slow. Yeah.